A funicular was devised in the early 1500s as a means of getting people and things up steep hillsides. A conventional train, using steel train wheels on a steel track, could never efficiently climb a track as steep as funicular railway. Steel wheels and tracks are used to minimize rolling resistance, which improves the efficiency of trains on flat ground, but would hinder their ability to get traction going up steep slopes. The funicular railway solves this problem by pulling trains up steep grades with a cable. With this cable, the steel wheels don't need to have traction, but can be used primarily to guide the train along the tracks. Funicular uses two counterbalanced train cars, on the same track, permanently attached to opposite ends of the haulage cable, which is looped over a pulley at the upper end of a track. At any one time, one car is balancing the weight of the other. The descending car's weight helps pull the ascending car, and the ascending train keeps the speed of the descending train from going out of control. When the cars come close together, the track splits into two as a passing loop for both cars to pass one another. There is still a motor powering the pulley, but it only has to provide enough force to overcome the difference in weight between the two cars, that is the weight of the passengers, and to overcome the friction in the system. Building a funicular is quite a feat, since a track has to be laid either on steep mountain or on a trestle that rises from the side of the mountain. The Fløibanen is a funicular railway in Bergen, and it is one of Norway's best known attractions and the only railway of its kind in the country. It connects the city center of Bergen with the mountain of Fløyen. The line is about 844 meters long with 3 intermediate stops or stations, and covers a height difference of about 302 meters. Work to build the line on the steep mountainside to Fløyen started in 1914, and has been in operation since 1918.